If you want to play Champions League in FC26, you can easily do that by going to Tournaments in the main menu. Once you open Tournaments, you should be able to choose one of these tournaments over here, including the UEFA Champions League or Women's Champions League as well. So we can go over here, create a tournament. Then we choose the club that we wish to play as. So let's say I'm gonna choose Borussia Dortmund over here. You can of course choose different, I believe, different clubs as well. You can swap teams by pressing X on Xbox or square on PlayStation controller. So let's say we're gonna switch Napoli. Oh, actually we can switch the positions, so we can increase their position in the pad, for example. But we should be able to also replace the team by pressing Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. So as you can see, we can change the club completely over here. And we can also randomize by pressing the right stick. Now, once you are ready, we can press the menu or options button in order to proceed. And then you should be able to play Champions League. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.